Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to determine the cause of unexpected shutdowns on your Windows computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Start menu, type in Windows PowerShell. Best result should come back with Windows PowerShell here. Go ahead and right click on it and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. And now I will have a command in the description of my video. I want you guys to copy it. So just right click over it and copy, and then go up to the top bar of the PowerShell window here, right click on it, select edit, and then select paste to paste it in. This will give you a breakdown of all the blue screen errors that have occurred on your computer as of late, as well as the time it occurred, as well as what sort of information there is related to the blue screen message. So again, pretty straightforward process here, guys, and this should be able to kind of help point you in the right direction of different blue screen errors. So like I said, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.